It's almost Mother's Day. Now it's a perfect time to show how much you love your grown up. I love my mom, and I know my mom loves the homemade card, so I'm coming to make one. If you like to look at these, then you can make for a grown up too. All you need some card. You can use any color you like. I got some pink card here because pink is nice and bright. A full card like this, meeting the edges so you have your card shape. Now to add the roses. Now for this I'm going to need something very unusual. Are you ready for this? Celery, I know. Now I'm going to chop the bottom of the celery off. You can eat the celery sticks later if you like, because I'm going to use the bottom of the celery as a flower print. Now the next stage is you need some paint. I've used some yellow paint because my mom likes the yellow roses. Now I'm going to dip the celery into the paint. Make sure there's not too much in it, and then dab it onto the card. I think I have 3 roses. Make sure there's lots of space between them, because now I'm going to add the stems. And stems will be green, and I will use this paintbrush to add them. And just a line down there, one there, and one there. And there we have it, a beautiful card for Mother's Day. The next stage is you wait for your pen to dry, and you can write a lovely message inside, or you can write your name and a big kiss, and your mother or grown up all love it.